The Sales Commission app enables users to seamlessly manage and process commission initiatives directly within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Offering the flexibility to customize commission structures, users can create tailored plans for different items, customers, and agents, thereby fostering increased motivation for sales representatives to achieve sales targets. Before we can use the functionalities of sales commissions, we must complete the sales commission setup. Now in this field, we must fill in and select the options that pertain to our commission plan. However, 3 points of focus here are the Calculate Sales Credit Memo Commissions button, which when selected, will make it so that sales credit memos will use the same calculation criteria as their corresponding sales invoice. The sales document is fully paid option, which when selected, will only allow commissions to be paid if the sales document has been fully paid, and the sales document paid by due date option, which when selected, will only allow a commission to be paid if the sales amount has been paid by its due date. Now from here, we can take a look at our agents card. We go and search agents. We can either create a new agent card or open the existing one we have here. The agent card we have selected is Agent 1, and the source type is a vendor. The options for source type are either a vendor or a salesperson and purchaser. And the source number field, we have the number of the vendor that this agent card pertains to. Of course, if we had selected a salesperson or purchaser, the source number would pertain to an employee. However, we have a vendor, and our vendor is going to be vendor 91,000, which is the meat producer. And we will input our agent commission group if applicable. Here we have commission group 1. Now from here, we can take a look at our commissions card. If we search commissions, by clicking the new button, we can create a new commissions card for a new commission plan. However, here we're going to select an existing one, Commission Plan 2. And we can see that Commission Plan 2 has the starting date of April 8th, 2024, and is currently set to active, which means that it is in effect. If we look at the Calculation Details Fast tab, we can see that the calculation type is percentage of sales. The calculation type options are per unit of measure, percentage of sales, percentage of profit, or percentage of profit margin. And we can also see that the value of the percentage of sales is 5%. If we take a look at the Posting Fast tab, we can see some reoccurring fields that we've already seen. We can see the commission posting group, the sales document is fully paid option, and the sales document paid by due date option. These are familiar because we saw them in the sales commissions setup page. We can also adjust these options and requirements in the commission card itself. In this scenario for Commission Plan 2, the sales document is fully paid option is set to no. Now from here, we can click on agents, and we can assign agents to this particular commission card. Every commission card is going to need at least one agent. In this situation, we have selected the agent type of agent, whereas the other option is agent commission code. And with the agent commission code, we can create groups of different agents that we can assign to commissions altogether. Over here, we've selected an agent, agent number 1. Now, in addition, if we click on customers, we can see the customers that have been assigned to the commission code. Of course, every single commission card is going to need at least one customer. And in this scenario, the customer we have selected is customer 20,000 Tray Research. In addition, we will select our item to further specify the conditions of the commission program. And the item we have selected here is item F1, which is the item sausage. And we can select different categories or commission groups of items rather than just a single item altogether. So now that we've selected our item and we have assigned our agent and commission, we can take a look at a sales order. Now, if we go to our sales orders, here we have one for customer 20,000, which is Tray Research. And it is for the item sausage. And if we'll click on order and agents, we can see that the corresponding agent that has been assigned to the sales order is agent 1. So this means that all the 3 requirements of our commission plan 2, have been met. So from here, we have completed our sales order line. And if we were to post, and if we open up our posted invoice, which we can see was for 100 cases of the item sausage, we can click on Find Entries, and we can see that there has been an entry created for commission entry. If we click on this, we can see some more information on the commission calculation. We can see that the calculated amount is $400, which is the 5% of the sales order line, and the remaining amount that has to be paid to the agent is $400. We can click on any value here to go to our detailed commission entries page, or we can find some more relevant information, such as more information on the agent and the item type. Now, from here, what we have to do is we have to actually post the sales commission amount to the agent. And the way we'll do that is we will search post commissions to agents, and we'll fill in the corresponding fields. The agent we're going to be posting this amount to is agent 1. Commission number is commission plan 2. And the posting group code was commission posting group 1. So from here, if we click on OK, if we go back to our commission entries page, we can see that the remaining amounts field has now been set to 0. Now there may be a scenario where we have to use a sales credit memo, which calls for the reversal of the calculated commission amount that has been applied to the agent. And the way we do this is we would go to our sales credit memo page. We can click on new to create a new sales credit memo, but we have an existing one for tray research, customer 20,000. And in this situation, we want to reverse the calculation or return about 50 cases of the item sausage. So what we do in this situation is we would click on post. And if we open up the posted credit memo, we can go and select Find Entries. And we can see that a commission entry once again has been created. We click on this commission entry, we can see that there was a reversal of about $200, and the remaining amount that needs to be reversed is, of course, $200. So once again, what we need to do is we would need to post this to the corresponding agent. We would go to Post Commissions to Agents. Once again, we select Agent 1. Our commission number is Plan 2. And the posting group is Commission Posting Group 1. We click on OK. We can see that the remaining amount has been set to 0, meaning that the $200 amount has been reversed and applied to the agent.